This is the assembly of a hand crank cream separator from the Ukraine. This model is made of food grade plastic. These are all the parts that come in the mail with the separator. It comes assembled and we have disassembled it, and now we are going to reassemble it. Here he is putting the gasket over the spindle. This part is the bottom of the drum, a plastic sheath that sets right over the top of the spindle, 11 cone discs. They are two kinds and they alternate. When you first get your separator, you want to take it apart and wash it in warm soapy water and reassemble it. There it is. There is a plastic bit that goes in the lid of the drum. The set screw pokes out there. You can adjust that with a little wrench that's provided to see how much cream you'd like. You do it by trial and error, and you'll see what you like for your milk. And there's a nut that tightens the whole drum down, and there's another wrench with this model that tightens the nut. You need it quite tight, where the inner side of the spindle comes out just a little bit. This sits right on top of the machine and it spins. And then on top of this goes the spouts.
Milk.
That one has milk that comes out of it, and this one has cream, so you can point them in the direction you want, but make sure you have a bowl or a jar under them. And then there's a funnel, sits right on top, and a float which sits on top of the funnel. On top of this goes the bowl. And once you have that assembled, you put in a little valve that keeps the milk from running into the machine when you pour it full. And you can filter your fresh milk right into the machine, and you're ready to go. When you first get your separator, you need to take off this cover and put a cup of lightweight oil in the machine. Here we filled the bowl with warm filtered milk. Carl's beginning to turn the handle. When he gets up to speed, they will turn it to the open position, the valve, and here comes skimmed milk, and here's cream. Just more than one turn per second. They're almost done. When you reach the end, it's a good idea to pour a little bit of the skimmed milk back through the top to clean out any cream that might still be in the drum. Done. When you stop cranking, you will hear a clicking sound. That's normal. You need to let the machine wind down on its own, and you can bottle your milk and cream.